Hi, Shane here at Shane Bar Shoe Repairs. This pair of purple stilettos has a hole in the heel covering there. So what we've done is remove the leather up the front, and that's left quite a bit of leather fibres onto this purple heel covering. So we've sanded that off before peeling the covering off here, and it's super thin, it's 1/2 mil thin. You can see that hole and the bit of a tear that we've got to deal with. What we're going to do is glue it all and then stretch it back up to the top so that that hole is not visible. So that hole goes just past the end of that white piece, and then we'll get this glued around, and then we'll glue up the front of the heel block, sand that flat at the top and pop another heel onto it, and we'll do the same heel onto the bottom of there, so they're both matching. And we'll match up some paint and touch the sole up so that looks nice and tidy as well. It's all glued back together. We've just ground the base flat and clean, and also done the same on the other shoe. And now we're going to go over, and so that's going to go into there. She's a tight fit, so it might end up getting jammed, so we might just grunt a little bit of the knurlings off the outside of that before we hammer it in and just check that it's all going to go well. You don't want to get it halfway in there and get stuck. So hammered those in, and now we'll still trim around them because they don't quite fit properly, and just tidy them up a bit, make them look nice and fresh. Here's the heels trimmed off, looking pretty shimmy. And now we're just going to match up some paint, which can be a bit of a task getting that colour just right, but we'll go and do that now. Here's a colour that's real close. Looks a bit different with the super shiny and the pits from all the stones, but it's got to look better than the one on the left. So I'll go ahead and give this a sand and give it a coat of paint as well. All done and ready to go back on the courier to the customer. If you've got shoes that need repairs, drop into 44 Grey Street. We're in Piccadilly Arcade in Tauranga. If you're outside the area, go to shanes.co.nz and let us know which area you're in. We may be able to point you in the right direction to someone closer. Otherwise, pop them on the courier and we'll give you a call when they arrive.